Send it. Yes. Oh dear. Oh, done. Hi, Madam C, and welcome to my Nissan 350Z. We've been following a Subaru. We reckon he's going to the same meet that we are, which is the Runnymede Pleasure Gardens PetrolHeads meet. Oh, maybe he's not going our way.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Apparently it's not that great in the meet. We'll see what there is, but there's a meet tonight that I'll catch up with you at afterwards, because that'll be good and this one might not be, but we'll see what it's like first. But here we are. I can see some American trucks. I heard someone say, "Where's the chaser?" It's in the garage. It's wet. I don't know. Sometimes it's not worth cleaning a car, and this weekend was one of those days. In a way, it's fortunate I didn't bring the white car, because look, Skittles. I'd have broken, rather than the Polo, but I'd have broken the Skittles collection. There's a bit of a division. It's like kind of modified-ish, and then American and classic down at the entrance. Here is the R33 parked next to a Shelby Mustang, a GT500, and another Z. And right at the end, we have a Chevy C10 and Marcus Hayes in his Mark II Escort. Can't help but notice the colour match isn't quite there on the bonnet. And then the Volvo 480 and a Chloe trying to get in the way.
Trying to get out of the way.
Out of the way. It's Bumblebee, no, Super Bee. Oh, and Chloe's found a Polaroid of my car. You're welcome. Thank you. There goes the skyline. All of the turbo noises. Marcus is being stalked by a Puma. And what seems to be a late arrival, a Cobra. But that was pretty much from this meet, so I'll catch up with you back in the car tonight for a CitySmokersUK and Flat Out Media meet in Basingstoke. Oh, and by the way, here is the new Koenigsegg CC850. It's a homage to the original Koenigsegg, the CC8S. It's here at Super Ventura, and there's the Jumeirah behind it as well. So, here we are in Basingstoke at an Asda car park with a kebab shop, and the kebab shop is where this meet's going to be held by CitySmokersUK and Flat Out Media. I'm early because I like capturing arrivals. I could park right at the front. I might have woken up the sleeping person in the car next to me by revving. Sorry. So the Flat Out Media limousine with hydraulic suspension is next to arrive. I've got a good spot. Yeah, they're doing some dancing. I knew that would happen. I cleaned this car for today. But the meet is called Calories and Cars, and Daddy Barbecue is where the calories will come from. The car park and this pavement is where the cars will be, the 2002 and the Aventador. I think I've stepped in dog dirt. When I last came here, I parked on a Bath 124 Spider inside there. It's a fun and unnecessary fact for you. There's an SVT Lightning that's just arrived and a Gallardo Performante in yellow, the best colour. I've got some chips already just before the rush. Got the pink Iris as well. So most arrivals will hit this roundabout. There's two entrances, either that way or this way, so we'll see. Oh, this must be at least 5 potatoes worth of chips in here. What do you think? Was totally random. It seems we have a convoy on our hands. There's a Polo, a BMW 1 Series, and a Golf. We got the Cupra, a hatchbacks. But inside the car park, it is well lit, so we can have a great look at cars like the Mercury, who has taken up 2 of the spaces that he deserves, and the multicolored Mondeo in 1 space. The demands are high tonight, send it. And look, I know you're probably bored of seeing this attendee because he goes to every single meet that I attend, but we have the police. But we now have the Flat Out Media Aventador revving up along with the Gallardo Performante. I think we're hoping for flames from the Aventador, just to warm each other's feet up. Yeah, we got a Mazda 3 trying to join in. It is an MPS. Oh, he's doing a big one over there now. Yes. That is slidey. Well, it's gone. Oh, it's coming. There's a bit of a speed bump there. Oh no, there wasn't, unless he just destroyed it. But the crowd has now migrated to further down. I think I might have missed whatever it was. Oh, a dog! The spoilers are small around here as well as the dogs. Oh, the flame's small. Let's find out. Corner. You watch, the crowd are going to steadily wander over. Look, migrations are happening once again. 5 Series is joining in. Oh, there's a tree. It is a school night, and my worry is that there are houses just there. People are living out there. He's looking out his window at what's going on. Come down, join us. We now have an M2 doing a little snake down the line. Got some more dancing going on too. But by the seams of it, there is a second location because cars are starting to start up and squeal, and there's some more burnouts apparently, according to the smoke. Oh, a late arrival, an S14. So let's capture those departures. Oh dear, speed bump there, mate. Good. Nicely done. I'm rather conveniently stood next to the Send It sign being displayed to the Domino's drivers. Go on, you can do it. Okay. Almost. It's going. E46. There we go. There's the 14. They're coming from both directions and being very clever about it. It's good road safety. Well done, guys. Oh my coupe. This Golf has a side pipe. It sounds like it's just manifold noises. But it has got see a blurry place in the distance. The SVT Lightning is coming up with some V8 noises. Behind is the M2. Here we go, 6.2 litre V8. Cylinder in the Mondeo. GD86. The diesel dust was black like the sky. That's not a black sky. You want me to send it?
Yes, please.
Hang on a minute. Ready? I don't think he's gonna. Ready? I don't think he's gonna. He's not gonna. He did it! Send of the century, guys. We have another ST that isn't attached to a Mondeo this time. Noisy Polo. the pink IS200. I think that's a burnout. That is the quietest and calmest burnout I've ever seen and heard. That was comfortable. Well, that's all, folks. Oh, there's a Lowell as well. He's going to do some bits. He did some bits. But there goes the Flat Out Media limousine. But that was pretty much that from the Flat Out Media meet with CitySmokersUK. I'm going to head home now and warm myself up after a bit of antics. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Follow me on Instagram for the updates, highlights and pictures and information about Adam's Seafest, which will be on the 1st of May. So I hope to see you all there. Link in the description. But for now, thanks for watching.